To head to a ceramics volunteering event. Truthfully, I wasn't going to go at first just because I don't think any of my classmates or my teacher is going to be at this event, but I thought about it for a while this morning and I think it'll be good to get out of the house for one, and two, I'll get to meet new people, so I'm gonna do it. Hopefully I enjoy it. I think I will. And this will also give me an opportunity to work a bit more with clay outside of my class hours. The bowls that we're going to make are going to a local food bank. What I absolutely do need to bring is some hand cream. Alright, I'm gonna head there. This is gonna be exciting, a new experience.
Every second, every minute.
This afternoon.
I do time with you too. Have a good rest of your day.
You too. I made some juice. It has carrot, beets, apple, and oranges, and it's very sweet. I saved it as dessert after dinner. I can't believe this day has gone by so fast, probably because I actually did something today compared to other weekends where I kind of just rot. Unfortunately though, that means that I haven't really cleaned. As I do this, I'm gonna watch the newest episode of Love Scout. I really like the drama so far. These are like the thinnest bagels I've ever made. I'm gonna give you an honest review of these bagels. Granted, mine came out a little bit thinner just because I lost some of the dough when I stopped to wash my hands in the middle, and with that I rinsed away perhaps a fourth of the dough. I tried some of the other bagel and, for lack of better words, it tastes very yogurty, which makes sense because the dough was made with yogurt. This is gonna be hard to eat. I stuffed the inside with Greek yogurt, tomatoes, mushrooms, arugula. Here, I'll show you. tried the other one without any fillings. Maybe this will make a difference. As a high protein option, this is a pretty good bagel, but I think I'd rather just eat a normal bagel on occasion. I paired it with a side of potatoes. If you use a more wet yogurt, the dough is a lot more stickier. I was struggling to get the dough to form, which is why my bagel doesn't have a hole in the middle. I just finished a workout class. I'm gonna head home and make some breakfast before I have to head to work. From Kazua's ab workout. It's what she does before she starts her ab workout. I knew they would be good, especially because she's a dancer. One day I tried them and I realized that they were really great for stretching certain parts of my body. So I've been doing them the most, and they're really fast and easy to do. So I always look up her workout online and do the stretches before as well as her workout. Granted, the workout is kind of hard. Or is that a different workout? I don't know if her workout is the same as the Seraphim workout, but since I only did the bar class today, I'm going to finish it off with some stretches for now, and then in the evening I'm going to do some form of cardio. Made it to work. Today's such a chill day. We have a late start. Of course, since we're starting late, we're probably gonna finish later. That's okay. Oh, where did I get this wet? What the heck? I got a lot of sleep last night, so don't know why my under eyes have not improved. Maybe one day we'll improve them though. To a kickboxing class. This is going to be the first class, so I have to show up 30 minutes early to probably learn the basic techniques. Put my hair in a braid and I just wear a t-shirt. I'm gonna head there. So that wasn't bad, just very challenging, like really challenging. And we did some warm-up exercises before. The lowest weight that they had available in front of you was a 10-pound, and I had to ask the instructor to give me the 5-pound, but still it was fun. I do think bar classes and Pilates are more my speed, but maybe I will think about doing this once in a while. Don't fall. Stop falling. I did my makeup for an interview today. My hair's in a bun right now just because it's super hot in my room. The fan is on for that. Just did some blush, eyeliner, mascara, lip gloss.
I did have a student make this one. It's in like this
My sister and I are gonna go on a walk. No. This is so ugly, bro. I've been wearing these Aritzia fleece sweatpants a lot. They're really thick and nice, especially in the winter months. And then the scarf. The scarf kind of matches my sweatshirt. See you outside. My sister and I are grabbing some dinner. I think I'll go with these earrings. They look like this. Is that too much?
I think it's frostbite on this one.
Yeah, right? Isn't that so cool? My mom and my dad are talking about something